In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up local delivery in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable way for nearby customers to get their orders delivered straight to their door with settings that match your business hours, delivery range, and fees. First, open your Shopify store and make sure you're in the admin dashboard. This is the control center for everything behind the scenes. If you manage more than one store, double-check you're in the correct one before you move forward. It will save you time and prevent confusion later. Next, click Settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner of your admin. Think of Settings as the place where you define how your store operates, from payments to checkout, and in this case, how shipping options are offered to customers. Inside Settings, select Shipping and Delivery. This page holds all your shipping profiles and delivery methods. You'll see sections for shipping rates, local pickup, and local delivery. We're focusing on local delivery, which is perfect if you want to deliver within a certain radius or to specific postal codes. Now, click Local Delivery and set it up. Choose the location you want to offer delivery from and turn on local delivery for that location. You'll be asked to define your delivery area. You can set a radius from your store's address or list specific postal codes. Pick the option that reflects how far you can realistically deliver while keeping costs and timing under control. Keep the area manageable at first. You can always expand later. Set any delivery fee you want to charge. Many stores offer free delivery above a certain order amount, which can increase average cart size, but a small fee on smaller orders helps cover fuel and time. Add a minimum order price if that makes sense for your margins. You'll also see fields for delivery information and instructions. Use these to set expectations, like typical delivery windows, cut-off times for same-day delivery, or how customers should provide a safe drop-off note. If your business has clear delivery days or timeframes, include them in the messaging so customers know when to expect their orders. Accuracy here builds trust and reduces support tickets. Keep your wording friendly and straightforward. When you're done, save your changes. From this point on, customers whose addresses fall within your defined area will see local delivery at checkout when it's available. If it doesn't appear for someone, it usually means their address is outside the range or the order doesn't meet your minimum. That's it. Your local delivery is now set up in Shopify. Keep an eye on customer feedback and tweak your delivery area, fees, or messaging as you learn what works best.